we're closed to the public for the unforeseeable future. But while you're here, you should talk to some of the teachers about what's going on. You can just go through the cop.
Then the fish jumped right into the boat.
Hi, generic ALC student. Yes, that means each and every one of you. We miss you so much. In fact, it kind of makes me choked up right now. But class is starting again Monday, March 30th.
Oh, hey, how's it going? Well, what you should really be doing right now is heading to Google Classroom, checking your email, and then seriously, go to Google Classroom, check your email. I made a video about it. Do that.
And, on Classroom, there's a ton of stuff there right now, so don't try to take it all in at once. But one thing you're going to need to know what to do with is how to log into Zoom. By Monday morning, you need to know how to do that. Mr. DeMars and I made a pretty awesome video earlier that's shared on Classroom. It's on YouTube, and that's how hip we are. So, learn how to log into Zoom, and if you want to try it, just email one of us, and we'll try it ahead of time.
And March 30th, that's this Monday, school starts up again. School starts up again. School is beginning. You're going to school. It starts up again. Don't miss it. If you don't go, it's like dropping out of school. It's a real thing. So
we know that the world is changing every day in ways that we cannot predict. Don't panic. Don't give up. We're here for you, for all of you. We care about you.
And don't forget to take time for your mental health. Hey, you could go fishing.
bye.